Negation in Python. I'm trying to create a directory if the path doesn't exist, but that not operator doesn't work. I'm not sure how to negate in Python. What's the correct way to do this?
The negation operator in Python is not. Therefore just replace your with not. For your example, do this. For your specific example, as Neil said in the comments, you don't have to use the subprocess module, you can simply use os.enter to get the result you need, with added exception handling goodness. Example.
Python prefers English keywords to punctuation. Use not x, i.e. not os.path.exists. The same thing goes for and vertical bar, which are and or in Python.
Try instead. Combining the input from everyone else, use not, no parens, use os.enter, you'd get.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.